Hai semua, hi everyone. It's Zarina again, your Malay language trainer as always. Apa khabar? Welcome, selamat datang to ilearnmalay if you are new here. Before we start, I would appreciate it if you could support this channel by doing the following: subscribing, commenting, click the like button, and share this video to others who are interested in learning Malay. By doing so, not only will you receive updates on the most recent lesson, also you will be able to access our more than 100 helpful videos. Well, today we will practice words related to days in Malay. We actually have studied them before, but I feel we need to do some refresher only for days, so you could repeat and repeat them until you are able to retrieve the words from your memory effortlessly. If you need to watch the original lesson, click the link above. Let's start the lesson. Hari, hari, day. Hari-hari, hari-hari, days. Isnin, Isnin, Monday. Selasa, Selasa, Tuesday. Rabu, Rabu, Wednesday. Kamis, Kamis, Thursday. Jumaat, Jumaat, Friday. Sabtu, Sabtu, Saturday. Ahad, Ahad, Sunday. Hari Minggu, Hari Minggu, Sunday. Hari ini, hari ini, today. Colloquially, hari ni, today. Apa, apa, what? Hari ini hari apa? Hari ini hari apa? What day is today? Colloquially, hari ini hari apa? Hari ini hari apa? What day is today? Esok, esok, tomorrow. Besok, besok, tomorrow. Esok hari apa? Esok hari apa? What day is tomorrow? Besok hari apa? Besok hari apa? What day is tomorrow? Semalam, semalam, yesterday. Kemarin, kemarin, yesterday. Semalam hari apa? Semalam hari apa? What day was yesterday? Kemarin hari apa? Kemarin hari apa? What day was yesterday? Lusa, lusa, the day after tomorrow. Lusa hari apa? Lusa hari apa? What is the day after tomorrow? Tulat, tulat, the day after lusa, or 2 days after tomorrow. Tulat. Have a look at this example. We have Rabu, which is Wednesday, as hari ini, or today. Esok or besok, which means tomorrow, is Kamis or Thursday. That means Tulat will be 2 days after Kamis, which is Sabtu or Saturday in English. Malay is hard. Wait, hold your horses. We hardly ask someone for the days until Tulat. It is enough that you just memorize this in the beginning. Hari ni for today, semalam for yesterday, and esok or besok for tomorrow. Don't worry, take it easy. When you don't understand something in Malay, just ask, apa maksud? Apa maksud? Or, apa makna? Apa makna? Followed by the word that you don't know or don't understand. And they mean what is the meaning of. And with that, I would like to take this opportunity to invite everyone who really wants to speak Malay fluently to attend my online group class for conversational Malay. The class is for beginner level starting from June 2023. You could choose either on Sunday or Monday, and the class starts at 9 p.m. for an hour and 30 minutes Malaysia time. The fee will be only 100 ringgit per month for 4 classes, and if you are a beginner of Malay with these criteria, speaks basic English, knows none or some knowledge of Malay words, unable to make sentences, and does not speak Malay fluently, then I encourage you to take up this lesson. If you are interested to participate, please go to this link. I'm looking forward to teach and practice Malay with you. See you soon. Well then, let's have a test of our lesson for the day. I will ask you the meaning of the word or phrase or sentence. You will be given around 5 to 10 seconds to answer. Are you ready? Jom mula. Let's start. What is hari in English? Day. What is hari-hari in English? Days. What is Monday in Malay? Isnin. What is Tuesday in Malay? Selasa. What is Wednesday in Malay? Rabu. What is Thursday in Malay? Kamis. What is Friday in Malay? Jumaat. What is Saturday in Malay? Sabtu. What is Sunday in Malay? Ahad or hari Minggu. Let's try another type of test. Here is a chart of days in Malay. The question is, hari ni hari apa? Hari ni hari apa? What day is today? You have to answer in Malay. I shall give you 10 seconds. The answer is hari ni hari Isnin. Hari ni hari Isnin. Today is Monday. The next question referring to the same chart. Esok hari apa? Esok hari apa? What day is tomorrow? The answer is esok hari Selasa. Esok hari Selasa. Tomorrow is Tuesday. The next question referring to the same chart. Lusa hari apa? Lusa hari apa? What day is after tomorrow? The answer is lusa hari Rabu. Lusa hari Rabu. The day after tomorrow is Wednesday. The next question referring to the chart. Semalam hari apa? Semalam hari apa? What day was yesterday? The answer is semalam hari Ahad. Semalam hari Ahad. Or semalam hari Minggu. Semalam hari Minggu. Yesterday was Sunday. This is only a sample of the drills that we will do in the online group lesson. If you want to have more drills of natural Malay conversation like this, I definitely encourage you to take the online lessons with me, where you can do it right from the comfort of your own home. You can participate from anywhere in the world, no commuting necessary. With that, we will end the lesson for today. I hope this lesson will be very useful, and until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.